this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Certainly this is no doubt an impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. If we didn't just miss it, we are up and running already. It's going to be a real pleasure to see the mercurial Alessandro Del Piero. Genuine legend of the Italian game. Yeah, the Del Piero zone was named after his trademark move of drifting out wide before easing inside to aim at the far post, and he can play in any advanced position. Cristiano Ronaldo, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution and get others into the match. And here's Hazard. Now it's Hazard. It's Rakitic. Benzema, real chance to break. He's through the middle. Del Piero. Oh, it's Benzema. Benzema! He's looking to... Oh, real danger here. Has a pop! Sanchez, Foden, Maria, there he goes, it's Cristiano Ronaldo! Foden, with a delicate ball, goes for goal! Juventus! And it's Juventus who take the lead! Well, right in front of goal, there's no way he was going to miss. It's almost criminal to see the defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They do, and yet they didn't use that, and they paid the price and deserved to. Juventus themselves into the lead. Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do. Piqué drives it forward. Foden. Referee brings the first half to a close. So there you have it. One small drop of football. Still has moments. Ultimately produced just one goal. It's a dressing room that needs raising at half-time because in truth they've not really been happy so far. And if the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to. We are already promptly back underway. Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk. That's it! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. Del Piero with a predatory goal. Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick tactic was that? push.
At 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
And it's played forward. Finds himself eased off the ball. Now a chance to break. He's found his man. And he's searched. Di Maria! Di Maria is fouled.
Well, he was the one player you had to keep away from the area. Not the best way to do it, though.
Ref's been lenient here. I doubt they'll get too many more chances. Rakitic! Threatening to become a really good game.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
Now it's Del Piero. And here's Benzema. It's Mohamed Salah. Oh, really good feet from him. And he heaves it forward. Great run on the overlap here. He's left his man. Now it's Del Piero. In again.